Alright, welcome back to my channel today. You know who this is, your boy Gideon Julius. Okay, please, if you're new, subscribe to this channel. As you all know, I told you this channel is about online hustle, how to make money online, affiliate marketing, social media campaigns, how to create your own course and sell them and make money. Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about affiliate marketing. Okay, the most talked about topic online today. You know, if you search the Google research online, you see the most easiest way to make money online is through affiliate marketing. And that's what I want to talk about today. So what is affiliate marketing? This video is going to be short because I just want to introduce affiliate marketing to my viewers and those who want to watch, okay, who are interested in this topic. So affiliate marketing is a simple method whereby you sell other people's products and services to get a commission. Okay, I hope it is a little bit clear. Please pardon me if you don't understand more, you don't feel my English. I am not from America or from UK. I'm a Nigerian, so the English I'm speaking right now is what I'm comfortable with and it's what I understand. And I believe that everybody watching this video right now should be able to understand this, my English, a little bit or more. Okay, so what am I saying? Affiliate marketing is a very, very good way, and in fact the most easiest way to make money online right now. If you can pay attention with this video for 5 minutes, you will understand exactly where I'm heading to. So affiliate marketing is that program that helps you sell other people's products for a commission. So let me use, for instance, Nigeria now. You don't have a product, you don't have anything, you don't have money. All you have is your smartphone and an internet service. So now you want to make money online. How do you go about it? Now you want to choose affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a simple method. So let me use Jumia in Nigeria, or Konga in Nigeria, or any other big brand that you know, that everybody knows or sees everywhere in this country. You know, that you know is a popular brand. They have done the advertisement. Any product they are selling, people are not afraid to buy from them. So now what you do is you go to that Jumia or Konga or any other website that you know that they are doing well, it's popular, they have product they are selling. Okay, so you go and join their affiliate program. How do you join it? You go to the website, scroll down to the website, you see the bottom side of it where they write affiliate program or referral program, or just a program that helps you sell the product, right? Or sell their products. So when you register with them, you fill in information, you create, they will create a link for you, a unique link that you now use. That link will be a transparent kind of link whereby what you're selling will be in your own dashboard. You know what I'm saying? So when you sell something, let's say you're selling a product of 50,000 naira. In an affiliate program where you get a 50% commission, your commission on that product is going to be about 25,000. If you're selling a product of 100k, your affiliate commission on that product is going to be about 50,000. So this is how it works. So when they give you the link, your job now, and every other person's job who wants to make money with that affiliate program, is to take that link, start promoting it. Okay, you need to promote the link. Yes, you need to put the link in your own social media platforms to your friends and your fans, people that are following you, people that you are following, people that like what you're doing. Put it there, and this is for free. Just post it on your social media, WhatsApp, anywhere you can post it. And this is a product that you know that Nigerians are going to buy, people that you know are going to buy, maybe phones, laptops, shoes, anything you can sell, just sell it. Okay, then when you're selling it, you are getting a commission. So if you want to make real money fast from it, the fastest way to do this is to do advertising. Yes, maybe Facebook, advertise on Facebook or Instagram. You understand what I'm saying? Or YouTube. These platforms give you minimum advertisement rate. You can do advertisement for YouTube for as low as 1,000 naira, for as low as 2,000 naira per day, for as low as 5,000 naira. So it depends on what you have. Okay, and don't forget, you need to have a card. For you to be able to run advertisement on any platform, you need to have a card. When I mean a card, credit card or debit card. So you need a card to be able to make any advertisement or any ad. Okay, so once you start promoting maybe on Facebook, on Instagram, or on YouTube, or on Google, that is when people who are searching for that product that you are trying to sell will see it faster and purchase it. Okay, let me use for instance, you're selling a service from Shopify, for instance. Because you know that Shopify is a service-based platform. You're selling a product on Shopify. So now Shopify is a recurring platform whereby people pay monthly. Do you understand what I'm saying? So if you are selling such a program, that means every month, let's say you sold the product of $100 for Shopify, and their commission for that product is $50, is 50%. That means you're getting $50 for the first time, and you're getting $50 every single month when the person subscribes, because it's a subscription-based platform. So you understand what I mean? Affiliate programs are very easy to start. Okay, it's very easy to do. You can do it with your phone. Just create the link, go to the website, create the link. You can do almost everything on the phone. Both advert on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram can be done on the smartphone. Yes, I know people that have made millions from affiliate programs. I have affiliate programs that I've done myself that have paid me a lot of money. That's what I'm saying. I'm still doing affiliate program. I can decide to choose anyone I want and start promoting. You will never know I'm the one doing it. They will never know you are the one doing it, because it's not your product, it's not your face, it's not your creativity, it's not your ad. They have created all those things for you. Just a link. You post the link, and that is all you have to do, and promote it with your little change. Let's say you spend 2,000 per day, but then you reach maybe 2,000 or 3,000 people. Inside the 3,000, maybe you have maybe 3 or 4, 5, 10 people buying that product from you. See how easy it is? So it is very easy, and anybody can do it. I'm just trying to introduce you to this program so that if you want to join, you can easily join anyone you want. I'm not selling any affiliate program in this course, in this video. I'm just introducing you to it. You can sell anything you want to sell, from America to UK to Nigeria to anywhere. It's that easy. So that's how affiliate works. And if you want to know more about affiliate, you can also drop a comment below. Ask me a question, any question you feel comfortable about, I will answer you. If you want to know more about how to make money online, ask me, tell me. I would like you to tell me the kind of video you want me to make next on how to make money. Ask any question you want, any platform, I will make a video on that.